UTrading is reaching a new level. The bot can now trade directly on decentralized exchanges, DEX. This is not just a new feature, but a major transition from centralized exchanges to decentralized trading. The first supported DEX is Uniswap, which operates on the Ethereum blockchain, where the bot trades the Ultima/USDT pair. Unlike centralized exchanges, Uniswap has no traditional order book or intermediaries. Trades are executed automatically through liquidity pools directly on the blockchain. Getting started takes just a few minutes, and after that, the bot interacts with the liquidity pool on its own and trades 24/7 while you focus on other things. You always remain in control of your funds. Withdrawals can only be made to the wallet that was used to activate the bot. In this guide, we'll show you how to make the transition. First, you'll stop your bots on your current exchange, and then you'll activate your bot on Uniswap using your UWallet. No separate registration on Uniswap is required. The entire process takes place through the UTrading website and your UWallet. Step 1. Stop your current bots, open the dashboard, where you will see your current performance values. Please note that you can add a bot to a DEX regardless of your current performance level. Open the My Turbo Bot section and stop any bots that are currently trading on centralized exchanges. Also, cancel any limit orders that remain open on the exchange. Step 2. Activate the bot on the DEX. Choose the bot that best suits your needs and add it. During the activation process, select Uniswap. After that, the wallet connection page will open. Proceed to it. Step 3. Connect your UWallet. Click the Connect Wallet button on the connection page, scan the QR code using the UWallet app, and confirm the connection. Please note that the connection remains active for 7 days. Once this period expires, reconnect your wallet. Step 4. Specify the trading amount after connecting your wallet. You will see the balance of the connected wallet in USDT on the same page. Enter the amount that the bot will use for trading. Follow the minimum and maximum trading amounts displayed below. Step 5. Top up your fee balance. Now let's talk about the fee balance. This is a separate balance used to pay network fees for each transaction. Whenever the bot executes a transaction on the Ethereum network, the transaction fee is deducted from the fee balance, not from your trading balance. These are two separate balances. Step 6. Confirm the activation. Since the funds in your wallet belong to you, rather than the platform, the smart contract cannot transfer them without your permission. Therefore, for every amount you transfer to the smart contract, you must first grant permission, approve, and then confirm the transfer itself, transfer. The activation process takes some time and may require up to 4 confirmations in the UWallet app. Approve each request as it appears. Each request will appear both in the pop-up window on the website and in the UWallet app. Confirm them one by one without closing the page. A transaction hash will be displayed on the website for each transaction. Click it to view the transaction details in Etherscan. After confirming all 4 transactions, wait a few moments. Processing time depends on the Ethereum network load, and it may take anywhere from 1 to several minutes for your balance to update. Do not close the page, and don't worry if the result does not appear immediately. Everything is ready. Your bot has been migrated to the DEX and is now trading on Uniswap. 2 important reminders before you get started. Keep your wallet's recovery phrase in a safe place, as you will not be able to restore your wallet without it. Also remember that withdrawals are only possible to the same wallet that was used to activate the bot. We wish you successful trading.